Okay, now we're going to show you the proper way to assemble the pressure cylinder to the 16RD disassembly tube. First thing, every time you go to pressure test, make sure the knob's all the way back to the top, it's screwed all the way back up, and the piston has been pushed back up in. First, remove the bolts on the disassembly tool, 3/8/16 bolts, lock washers. You got 3/8/16 bolts, 5 inches long, that are supplied with a 16RD pressure cylinder only, and there are spacers. Purpose of the spacers is because you will not get enough clearance to use your pressure testing tube on a 16RD valve. Remember, these spacers will only be used with a 16RD pressure cylinder. Take a 9/16 socket or open-end wrench. Tighten the bolts down snug. And that's how you assemble the pressure cylinder to the 16RD disassembly tube. Also remember, when you're doing this, before you slide this onto the 16RD assembly, you must slide the finger arm ring all the way to the top so that it will have clearance to slide down over your spring.